Good morning, this is John Vent, Premier Truck Group in Tulsa, Oklahoma, 5104 West 60th Street. We're setting in a 22 Cascadia with 395, 962 on the miles. Very nice fleet maintained unit. Double bunk. This truck is equipped with a 455 horse DD15 as well as a DT12 transmission. 22 model. This truck does have an APU on it. Nice blue in color. Again, I'm at 5104 West 60th Street, Tulsa, Oklahoma. My name is John Vent. My direct line is 918-447-4001. Or you can call me on my mobile at 918-638-7561. Be glad to visit with you. Tri-pack APU already installed. This truck is in great condition. Lots of life left in it, 395 on the miles. You're looking for a very nice low mile truck, 10 aluminum wheels. Come out and see me or call me. We are offering a $5,000 down payment match on this truck. Premier Truck Group, 5104 West 60th Street, Tulsa, Oklahoma. My name is John Vent. Been here 21 years. Would love to take good care of you. Call me, 918-447-4001 or 918-638-7561.